Hello students, I am going to explain ninth program. Let's see the question. Write a PHP program named states.py that declares a variable states with a value Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Massachusetts, Kansas. Some words they have given the value, the states, we call it as write a PHP program that does the following. PHP program we have to write for this. And what are the parameters? What are the few more sub questions they have given? Let's look into that. Search for a word in a variable states that ends in XAS. Store this word in element 0 of a list named states list. That means this particular sentence is Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Massachusetts, Kansas are different words they have used. In that you have to, we call it as a states. In this state, variable states, we have to identify the word, the states that ends in XAS. And we have to store it in the element 0 of the list named states list, state list with the name. Right? And the second one they have given, search for a word, it will starts with K and ends in S and perform a case insensitive comparison. Store this word in element 1 of a state list. A third question, sub question, search for a word which will begins with M and ends with S and stores in 2 of the list, element 2. And the fourth one, search for a word in a state that ends in A, store this word in a element 3. Let's look into that. And we know that the PHP, what is the meaning of the PHP? Hypertext preprocessor. Coming to the states, PHP, it will always starts with angular question mark PHP. And what is this? Dollar, which will specifies the variable. Always the variable will starts with the dollar sign, right? So the variable what they have given states Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Massachusetts and Kansas is the variable they have given, right? That variable I have taken it as a states. And dollar states array, we have kept it as empty. Now dollar states 1 is equal to explode function we have used. You can see here what is this explode. Inside the explode function you can see here there is an empty with that single quotes comma another states, means we have taken the states. What is the meaning of this? Please understand. Explode is a function which will breaks a string into an array. Means, again I am repeating, which is a built-in function in a PHP. Explode function is a built-in function in PHP where this particular function what it will do? It will divide the string. String means all of us know string. A collection of characters we call it as, right? We call it as a string. So a Massachusetts, Kansas, Alabama, whatever they have given is a states we have taken, and this states 1 is equal to explode, means we are splitting that. It's a built-in function in PHP, explode function, which will split the strings, which will break the strings into an array. Whenever the delimiter character occurs during that time, it will do it. So let's look here. The explode means which is splitting those things, which is splitting, which will breaks. We can call it as, instead of split, breaks a strings into an array. It will do, right? Whenever the delimiter characters occurs during that time. Let's look here. States 1 explode functions means whatever the states you have taken, you are splitting, and echo original array you have taken BR. What is this BR? Break, everybody know. And what is this for each? Next line you see here, the for each. Inside the for each loop, we have taken dollar states 1 as dollar I. The value means I, which is pointed to dollar value. What it mean? A for each loop works only on arrays. Please do remember, for each is a loop which will work only on arrays, right? Where this loop, there is each key value pair in an array. You can see here, you can observe here, That is the states as I is the key and the value pair. $I am taking each and everything as I, so the value, the key and value pair in that format I have taken. For that purpose, for each is used, means only works on arrays, and it is used to loop through each key value pair in an array, you can say. What is the syntax for each? You can see here, whatever even $array, whatever the array, the states one as an array I have taken as $value. What I said, the syntax is for each brackets $array as $value. Closing the brackets. Here the array is states 1. Value is $I, the value, right? So coming to the print, and you are printing those values. Again, you are taking the value that is states as a states. You are mentioning states as a states, the key value that is array as a value. First thing is you have to remember this one more function called as a preg underscore match. Prag match is a PHP function which is used to perform pattern matching in a PHP on a string. Means whenever you want to match with something, prag match is used only. This is we call it as a PHP function. Again, it is used to perform a pattern matching in a PHP, right, on a string. So we are going to use this. What is the first question? The first sub question they have asked is the states ends in XAS, and you have to store that in element 0 of the named list that is named with the states list, right? So XAS ends with means this is the way you going to calculate, that is ends in XAS. XAS I have written ends in, ends with. So inside the single brace, single one more forward slash you are taking XAS and ends with means this is you have to remember and the states you are finding out, and you are storing that in a element 0. So states array is equal to states. This is the first whatever we want to identify here. Again we have taken for the for each states as a state. If prag match means we are matching, we are pattern matching, we are performing, we can say, in a PHP. So pattern matching, what it is? The second one is begins with K, ends in yes, right? So you can see here begins with means angular you have taken K, and more characters can come, one or more characters, and ends in S. Ends in S means ends in means dollar. We have seen XAS earlier ends with only was there, so we have used only $S. Now begins with K and many more characters can come inside that, ends with yes. For that purpose, along with that, they have given the case sensitive. With bird purpose, forward slash and I you have to, case insensitive they have given. So forward slash and I you have to use, and the same thing continues. Coming to the third, for each and all, what is the third sub question? Begins with M and ends with yes. Already you know what is the symbol we are using to identify begins with and ends with, right? The same thing and comes to the, and you are storing it in a 2, right? Earlier first one with the first sub question with the element 0, second one with the element 1, and third is this one, so element 2. Coming to the last, if prag match, that is again that is a pattern match in a PHP on a string, that's we know already. So what is that? Ends with, only with the ends with, so I've taken A ends with, so 3, and you are breaking everything. Please do understand the resultant array you going to print for each arrays, and whatever the print I told you, for each is a loop which works only on array, and it is used through each key value pairs in an array, and the syntax for the for each is for each $array as a $value, right? Same thing applicables here with the array value, and you're going to print that value. So you can see here earlier the states was Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Massachusetts and Kansas. Now the resulting is state 0 ends with XAS, the second one starting with K and end with S, and the third one begins with M and ends with S, and the last one ends with E. That's what the output. Hope it is clear. Thank you all of you.